abusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba JNCN page so me din e de adwoa searching Oman FM omo newspaper review discussion omo ye no every morning bia e na omo de ensem bi etudwa na omo sem omo kan na ne say NDC fo eye nkrofo bi omo pen to papa to trustem eye omo de na omo to kwa na omo pen nso no NPP fo so e na omo de ko omo pe NPP fo asem ba ko ndempo anase ochina enam sa so e na omo de figa na ha ekodu baabi e ma eye former first lady Mame Ajiman Kunedu egu organizer ba ku bi animase esan MPP fo asema esan NDC fo MPP fo asema omo MP enti na asem no emu enchiremu ni Oman FM omo newspaper review discussion omo ye no every morning bia no emu ye discussion efa eye 2020 about to ye to yi eho ene about na ye to na afa MPP fo adwem kasa na omo kasa we ombe kopi omo kasa because afia about na ye to yi no skirt and blouse no edos papa ma na MPP fo omo ani abre na about na ye to wie no ene esan say eye parliamentary no emu epai nti no NDC fo na nya hoden ene de omo e kire nya asem keto akra na no eye 7th January e wa bro omo eswe nanadu in as president e wo Ghana hanom no ye nyina ye hu de course so e wo parliament house ene esese na omo to aba eyi speaker of parliament and sana nanadu ne swearing in no abe match say ene ensem e course wo nya asem keto akra MP we pia we na we so e pia we a eye living legend ba ko pe honorable Carlos Kingsley ahenkra ehwim ballot paper di dwane ya ehon sembe ye bebre e wo Ghana ha no me ho discussion e na omo eye nenu e na omo e ka se sisie na MPP fo nyame ya adom a mutumi wini no se na na do nani de ho papa because MPP NDC fo no mo pento kwa omo pe NDC fo na sem omo pe MPP fo asem enti se bibi wo ho no na se na do be ya onye no fa embo a MPP fo no mo to aba e de ma MPP amayoku no na so mo support MPP no because NDC fo de to trust them e yo mo de na esan adwe omo ehenti omo call program e one of the countries ne so na bro omo ekoi no mo kodu ho no emi se Germany o se he na omo ahye baby omo kwakoye program no na decoration no omo eye no colors no na ye blue white and a red to say MPP phone pepe e ho and a NDC organizer ba ko ekoka kire former first lady eye Nana Ajiman Kunedu say mana onkotena because MPP phone omo eti ho no na eno and na former first lady e kire say MPP phone emum eye country no ne colors and omo ahye ewo honom enti no NDC ni organizer no e kire say esan say ye MPP for colors enti no Nana Ajiman Kunedu ekotena ho a enya dia omo ebepene no na eno na Nana Ajiman Kunedu e kire say enya MPP for colors na mum eye country no colors na no omo e ka say we nyina e kire say NDC for no eye tutu asem a omo epento kwa papa na do fienti ensem omo de etudwa
nanka omo na de 1.7 million ebrep party no o de ase Western Central obia edini de monhwe na sa de no de omon correct the same with every recruitment ekoso e wo ba bia omon hwe set sa na nsen GRA am say custom division say na napkofo no mbeye bibi no oh na nkrofobia aginem omo skill na akoba bi e penfobia so debi montwen ya napkofo no napkofo na look nkrofo a omo ti social media no mu di na do atem krank tinkete it's within their right to do so but nya won so na abaye omo papa wo brawo party for
no party for
we need responsibility be towards them say ba adwuma say ye fa adwuma they are the people you must consider first and now onye due diligence onje hwe and this for
no we share down we say online
I told that bibi
no ma twa fam
I told that bibi fatal enso so ombe kwa ko wurawura kira kwa koka when this for you so petty say last one can just say Nana Kunedu work function be first lady those days okodru one of these that Netherlands or German also more colors so blue red
yes almost MPP
for there now na obi fem ko catch first lady say MPP for color no mo de had the creative no into the cassette so mo amame Yeah.
And the one cast. Oh,
Metras, my casa. Hey, share. When this in your drink, now, no, so according organizers, there be your country colors. Your country colors. This is 2 day blue, white, and red. Come on. It is an bread.
Presbyterian Church of Ghana, yes, we are colors.
Colors. A man crowd, colors are green, black, open.
Almost end this case. I'm going to tie a picture.
Ministers, non so. Omo deputies elu su bebrebe no ewo ya
Deputies are some now cocaine.
Ministers omo deputies lu su bebrebe no nsoso omo nsoso enkotena se no omo nye meeting no omo sasa ne ba ne sei na party ni nsoso misa esa we nso party ni si hu nkonya no omo mfre deputies no omo mfre ministers no no obi anka na kosam no obi anka sitena no omo ne omo te na sorry the opasem just
fact they say ministers ni bi hodoma unfortunately almost some deputies na konfo ebo hono almost some konfo pa amma che say we deputy minister for no ko wonu no
ni breathing space
ebo hono so you sitting MP
we sitting MP of adeba kwese timi kan say obie ni hono ma wo sabi pedos wo koso
a house and as a chamber, yen ye be yambra. And this ye know if you are not seeing, say, Mrana because you be this one. No, say yes, if and you know, ocean numbers no, it does not make any mathematical sense for NDC to say, I'm occupy the seat of the majority. But meaning, no clear woman say, Ansani be Speaker of Parliament, you know, the standing orders of Parliament at say in the absence of a speaker. No, and as ye speaker no, the otra the clerk of parliament. I am hoping that some amount of declarations will have to be made and our pronunciations will have to be made by the clerk or order the marshal me hunu babia no kraneda be that as it may. Say I am calling samboa enam si ye beto aba for speakership in intino ye to aba ye be hunu domo okuta eye numbers and also okuta dodo. And until you better than every new don't know, and I trepe say no cre MPP Amanyoku, Yena MP say what parliament, your doors home. And in any case, if anybody says, oh, independent candidate, overtly, and ask what Bob Bontiaka say, Nimuja blue. And for that matter, at all times, I'll be supporting the new patriotic party. Indeed, this is a man why now so obetna baby MPP form pons here etie into ocean numbers no it does not make any mathematical sense for them to start calling themselves majority leader and majority chiefship no it is unconstitutional, it is un-Ghanaian for them to come early and say some kotena baby a majority for now when parliament has not officially dissolved sabia omoteno sebe MPP for Omotibia because Parliament Ninyanya Day and Coleno off. And it is un-Ghanaian for them to do that. No credit do. The strategic speaker say yes or my nipaso made.
I say who be a new movie because so the cover house I say I cry best school na pray.
Adwuma no yedi kan asua yedi kan boa ye ho say da say no Nyankopon ya adom a ye beba aba begina ayetafofo anem nti ya boa ye ho asie to represent the good people of Otafo constituency empire ye boa ne say ye da ye so a Otafo so ye be hemra sa da ye so no ye betumi make sure say beba ye mra ye be hemu policy considerations are ye be ye parliament and so no ye Otafo constituency omo da ye so no ye be hwe amanaba say de be mpuntu ye hwe Otafo constituency benya
nti kwa na udin si ho uti ni fa na ati benku
oh say baby a yanum edi kan akotene
ya obi te wakonwa so
omo
kwa na obi te wakonwa
nta no nye nti omago bi akotena makonwa so na mo no because you want
etu ye den na nipa no sorry
nipa no so wa na ne so won sorry
ujirejina he ya
aha ya si akogina baby a minority for no a ya kotena ho ti ye twen say clerk be make pronunciation no nya akotena baby o se tena
ma me na wase abusiafo Vincent Eko Asifua ne ne na twetwe nkomo no emrahye badwani a wayi ne foforo ema tafo abato empesa so na ye ne no akasa no se utie mu na eche se akonwa no obi atena obi akonwa so obi atena obi akonwa so efi se ebi di kan na na mibisa onuyafo tela bi se ye mfa din ni sisi ho no mo ema ne kan bibi se edin a ye de sisi ho se de yo won de ni onima se na obi atumi tena ba bi a ope eso ne yakoba se obi atena obi akonwa so eti ye bebo modern ni ahwe se Vincent Asifua na se mo kan obi atena akonwa so nti ogina kire twen enadia na ebekoso ewo mrahye badwam asei menimnua abedna gwasantia siedu ye wo ha sei ya ye hwese ye ne mpanimfo ni bi ebetwetwen enkomo ma yenko na ye ni onimunyamfo Joseph Kujo onso ni seat no secured efia ana o kan no abo hwene kakra constituency na efia constituency honorable official
afin commercial
wa kwehwe baby a wote
afin na ye do hansi me kohwe
na wakonya na da hode
afin wo bema he negwa wo 8 parliament ne mu
7 parliament no a chese akakra na ya wie no wo twen wo kwa ba bi ate dada na wo kotena
I was 7th parliament mu no baby a metna no e ho na make it na but